I'm Shruta. I'm doing my BCom at Christ University. My
Okay.
personal hobbies are reading books and reading some blogs. And then I'm very much involved myself in learning new things.
Very nice.
This is how I keep busy myself. And then
You have been a part of e-market education
yes,
from past few months,
yes,
and you have got connected with e-market education by opting for a course, and the course that you opted for was PPC.
yes.
How did you get to know about this digital marketing? Was it a reference, or was it a awareness that came through some from some friends, or your outer resource, or how was it? How did you get to know about digital marketing?
So see, basically, I didn't know anything about digital marketing. So I'm a person who started with scratch.
Okay.
I got to know about this course. I mean, I had a reference from a person whom I knew. He told me about the course and institute, and then I came up here
Okay.
inquiring about the course.
Okay.
And then this was the course which I found interesting because I didn't know how Google search play. I thought everything is being handled by Google, and then after coming here, after getting what PPC is and all, that is and analytics, the what campaign settings, campaign structuring, and all those. This is how I got to know about the course, and then that is how I found interesting.
Very nice, very nice. And if I could share with you, I think you are the youngest student in e-market education till date.
Yeah.
Okay, and to be very frank, you are just pursuing your second year.
Second year BCom. Now this is third year I'm doing.
Okay, so you are doing your third year BCom
Yes.
from Christ University, and yes, for sure, like digital marketing is very new for you,
Yes.
and you had got connected with e-market education, not PC, that is pay-per-click marketing course. Now I don't know, while you were joining, whether you really had any knowledge about PPC, because most of the time what the terminology people try to relate to get connected with the course that we provide is always digital marketing.
Yes.
But you came here, then you opted for PPC. So how your experience have been till date? So what all differences do you find from a digital marketing course to the course what you have done, and what other things you came to know with time, and how do you find yourself at this point of time, knowing so many things, and what are things you feel that you can really pursue in the future dates?
So as I told, I'm the person who started this scratch because
Yes.
digital marketing, I had no idea what it is.
Okay.
But then here, after coming, the PPC, the course which I opted for, the PPC in this, I learned how Google search works,
Okay.
how we handle things there, and then how do we compete with our competitors.
Very
how
nice.
Campaign structuring is done, keyword research, and all those. And one more new thing, what I learned, what everyone can try doing is blog creation and blog writing.
Very nice.
This is
Very
not
nice.
a new thing which I learned,
Okay.
which I didn't knew about.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then blogs, yes, I had heard before. But I had heard before, but I had no idea how to do things and all. Yes, I did create my own blog and started writing about digital marketing,
Okay.
knowledge bank
Okay.
as a student approach.
Very nice.
And then see now, before I joined here, I was completely blank. I mean,
Out-
yes, because
Yes.
as I told, I had no clue what digital marketing is. This was the question which I had in my mind. But
Okay.
then going on, I found this interesting, and then see.
The question is it really going to help you somewhere? Because see, you are a student, your day-to-day activity is to go to your college, pursue with your studies and all. In what way do you think the learnings what you have taken from here, you are going to make use of it, or is there something that even you're pursuing your studies, you can really do a lot of things being back at your home, or getting into any other sort of opportunity? Do you find any opportunity over there?
Yes, sir. Yes, definitely. Because see, people who now people go. I mean, search for all those informations online.
Okay.
What I started with, one can start up with blog creation, which
Okay.
you can do that sitting at home and all.
Very nice.
And then yes, I did found this very much effective.
Okay.
This course effective because I feel people also do some other professional courses like CACS and all those. But then this is something which keeps a person involved and then get new updates what and all is happening.
Okay, okay. But how now? Let's say my question to you is, how you're going to make use of it? You are into studies.
Mhm.
You're studying in
Yes,
college.
yes, yes.
How is this course going to benefit you? Because is this because when I talk of benefit, there are two ways. One is the knowledge you will take it and you will try to make use of it somewhere,
Yes.
or the knowledge you take it and you'll try to get some monetary benefits out of it. So
Mhm.
how do you think like any of this could be done even though you're still pursuing with your studies?
Yes, I mean now what pursuing my studies, what I can do is one blog creation, and
Okay.
then this PPC course what I opted for.
Yep.
I think for sure it'll benefit me when I go to placements
Okay.
for companies,
Okay.
and
And do you think like you can still sit back at your home and take up some projects and work on it where
yes,
you can
sure,
able to
yes, I can find my own clients and work on them, and then get listed on the market.
on the Google?
Yes, on
Okay.
Google.
Okay. Okay. So I would leave on this question to you to think
Mhm.
the things what you have pursued over here. Okay, how you got to make use of it. So you said that yes, I'm going to write regular articles
Mhm.
through my blog,
Yes.
which is again a part of your knowledge upgradation and also a part of knowledge sharing.
Yeah.
One. Second thing is this given learning might also help you in your future to get a job, because now you might be more inclining yourself to digital marketing, or let's say specific to PPC. The third could be you can also sit at your home and start trying to find out people who might need support on the given education that you've taken up,
Yes.
and try to help them sitting at your home. So trying to support them with the PPC service and all. And
Yes.
with that, you're upgrading your knowledge. You're also trying to make some sort of monetary benefits as a part of your day-to-day expenses.
Yes.
Okay. Difficult to learn it, or what was the intents of the difficulty in learning these courses? Do you find?
No, I didn't. I think I don't find any difficulty in this course.
Okay.
Because since it is involved in any technical part, people have to think.
Okay.
That is how they get knowledge, right?
Okay.
So I would say this was not a boring course. Like it's not like you have to study for so many hours and all those. Yes, you have to involve yourself to learn things before you are a specialist in the course what you are opted for.
Okay. Other benefits you had while you were here at our institute, while learning the course with many other peers. All right. So what was the learning you had? So you had a batch where your co-peers were not of your age.
Mhm. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
And so what was your experience out of that?
So I would not tell restrictions were there,
Okay.
because at the beginning the terminologies which were used in the classes and all, my other batchmates, they were able to understand something.
Okay. Okay.
I didn't know anything,
Okay.
but then even they were elder to me, but then no, I was literally scared because one of my batchmates was a general manager of a company.
Very
Because I didn't I have no habit of going and talking to people like them.
Yeah.
So because that was what stopping me to go talk to them and all. But then going on, yes, I did started talking to them. That is where I
But how much I understand, I think it was a very healthy discussion and a support that was always coming from their end towards you.
yes, sure,
Yes.
that's a benefit for me.
Yes, because
also.
we had a person named Karthik, we
Yes,
had
yeah, yeah,
Anjali, and with time you also mingle with many other batchmates while on some workshop sessions, or let's say some weekend sessions, and also I think the way the people actually interacted with you, they never thought whether you are from Christ College or whether you are a young student, but more of on a ground of that, yes, we are all here to study the course. So how much I understand, because we were a part of the whole scenario. So I think you had a very flexible and a very interactive things, not only with the course but also with the given people who were a part of this program. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. And yes, I know that it's quite sometimes it's quite a difficult part for you to experience a sort of video recording where we try to ask you your experience, which might be sometimes a very first moment for you to do also. But whatever you are trying to share here is always a part of awareness that will create for your co-peers or people who at your age are planning to get into this program and all. So anything else you want to share with them?
Okay, yes, I would tell them, sir. Yes, I would tell them. See, this video recording is, this is the first time I'm doing it for. But then this course is amazing. People can opt for. But then, if anyone is very much interesting or who has no idea what to do next after BCom and all those, they can opt for the course and then they can have a bright future in this. They can get placed in a very good companies with a good post.
Certain things I would like to share about you is we were very happy to train people of your age, and the best thing about training people of your age is you're able to pick up the things the best, because your mind is of zero level. Okay, you don't have something already prepared in your mind and you're coming here and then trying to compare whether that was good or this is good. So you were completely at a zero end when you came here, then you took up this course. So for you to understand this at a zero level makes it much more easier. One. Second thing is you people are dynamic because you are good in communication, you are smart, you people are more interactive because that is what you do back at your college day to day with your friends. Okay, so that also again helps us a lot to make certain things very understanding, very clear, and you people are able to grasp it very well. That is the second thing. The third thing is the approach, the encouragement, the support that you people sometimes give to us as a student, or sometimes with respect to the institute, and without even thinking whether this is a part of my job, whether this is a part of my support I should be raising my hands onto. I think that was again tremendous, because you don't think much, because the moment you grow with your age, you sometimes feel, should I really do this, shouldn't I do this? So that was not a part of your case. So all those things happen, and beyond this I think you have learned well. Now you're able to not only do PPC, you're able to do SEO, you're able to do blogging, you are now very good with your email campaigning because you are creating email campaigns, and you're also taking interest in sharing your knowledge to some of the students whenever there is a need. And you are now started being like a digital marketer, you have now started thinking like digital marketer, like what all things I can create an opportunity out of it. So to an extent, I'm happy that the efforts what we started with and today where we stand, it almost meets both of our objective. And from here on, I think it is just one thing. Okay, make sure that you have a day-to-day learning. Be very clear what you want to achieve, what you want to become, and how to make use of this, and where to apply it the best, and how you can make a difference to the opponent or to the person for whom you work for, or whether it's you or for the company, how you can make a difference in terms of performance. That is what your core objective should be, and just keep on doing that one. And rest, we are very happy to be connected with you, and thank you very much for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.